Our world is rapidly moving towards the concept of hybrid workspaces. More companies are adopting flexible and remote work models. However, there's a high chance that your team might experience loneliness, disorientation, and reduced productivity due to lack of any real connection among them. That's why we need a virtual work environment where our team can seamlessly communicate and collaborate in real time, whether we are in a physical office or working from anywhere. So, say hello to Wurkr, the world's most immersive digital workspace application that allows teams to collaborate and stay efficient while working together from anywhere. Wurkr recreates your office environment virtually by providing customizable workspaces that fit your team's needs, safely and securely. Teammates can now have spontaneous conversations and engage in real-time collaborations from wherever they are. Invite guests to your office with just a few clicks. Have conversations like real people with multi-user screen share. Staying connected like this not only reduces the loneliness, but also increases your team's productivity exponentially. Moreover, get rid of commuting, space requirements, and the expenses that come along with it. Wurkr also helps you to cultivate a unified company culture, which focuses on talent and ability rather than geographical barriers. To top it all off, you're also contributing to a cleaner ecosystem by reducing your carbon footprint directly and indirectly with Wurkr. And you don't even have to take our word for it. Here's what our clients have to say about Wurkr. Impressive, right? Log on to www.wurkr.io and create a free workplace today to experience the wonders with Wurkr.